Millbrook Winery in Perth's hills, secluded with stunning views and sensational food, most of it grown on site. But this is what it's really all about: rolling vineyards, oak barrels and fine wine.
I've been making wine here at Millbrook for 15 years now.
It's the only winery in a region not generally known for its wine production, but the passion and the perseverance of senior winemaker Damien Hutton has propelled Millbrook into the ranks of one of WA's top producers, and the collection of gold medals is growing.
Generally have a few wines that we know are going to go well in the show system, and others that we're developing, and hope that they get recognised.
Here in Jarrahdale, the conditions are remarkably similar to a region in the south of France called the Rhone Valley, which is known for a particular variety of grape called Viognier, a favourite of the owner, Peter Fogarty. So he set out to recreate that wine, and he has. And Millbrook is now renowned for its award-winning Viognier. So there you go, a little bit of south of France, right here in WA.
The reason Millbrook exists really is for Viognier. That's our flagship white wine, and that's what people know us for now.
When she's not lugging oak barrels, Adair Davies is also part of the winemaking process, from start to finish.
It's really good to actually seeing the bottled product come off the bottling line, just all the hard work that actually goes into it, especially over the vintage, so summer, autumn, seeing it into the bottle. It's just relief.
So you're blending up some wine today. Take us through that process. What does that involve?
So what we do is, source from all over WA. And so we've got half a dozen options for Shiraz. So, we'll get our base blend and then do at least half a dozen trials.
What varieties are these ones that you're blending at the moment?
So this one here is a Grenache Shiraz so far, and we'll be adding in a little bit of Mourvedre to it as well. We'll do that as bench trial, so we'll try out different percentages that we add in, and this will become the GSM blend that goes into our regional range.
So how do you tell which one is going to be the go?
Have to be the aroma, the colour and the flavour all together.
It becomes pretty easy after a while which one's the right one.
So that's a lot of wine tasting that you're doing throughout the day, guys?
We do spit out the samples that we taste.
Except on the bad days, right?
Yes.
Or after 4?
After 4, yeah. Depends on the time.
But different varieties of grape aren't the only thing that's carefully blended here. Over the years, this master winemaker and Millbrook's award-winning chef Guy Jeffries have crafted a subtle fusion between the wine and the food.
Every stage I get Guy involved, so I'll take him samples and he'll be tasting it, and Guy's really good in that. He'll use the juice, he'll use the grape skins, the actual grapes, fermentation when it's going, he'll nick some and make some bread out of it. So he's tasting the wines the whole way through, and I'm tasting his food the whole way through the seasons.
Now that's a couple of perks I could certainly handle.